Today is our day 7. Yes, today is our day 7, and it's our 1 week already, 1 week of breeding. Remember, we are breeding for 2 weeks. Yeah, we are breeding for 2 weeks, but due to the weather condition, the weather is so hot, I'm no longer breeding. Now, what these guys need now is more of water. As you can see, I added another extra drinker for them. So these guys need more of water. Now, funny enough, I've changed this water. This is the second time I'm changing it, because I normally give them water very early one around 6. Now, I changed this one. They finish it by 12. As you can see, the weather is hot, and these guys need to be hydrating themselves continuously. So that's why I stopped giving them heat. I gave them just water. So guys, today is our day 7. I would like to give you guys a recap of what we did from day 1 till day 7. Now, on the day 1, when these guys came, we gave them coconut water to boost their immune system, to boost the strength, because they've gone through stress coming from Ibadan to Abuja. So now, immediately after they finished that coconut water, what I gave them was multivitamin to give them enough strength. Now, on the day 2, we gave them antibiotics. On the day 2 and day 3, we gave them antibiotics to fight the viruses, the diseases inside their body. Maybe they've contracted disease when they came in to the farm, to fight these diseases. Now, on the day 4, what I gave them was calcium. Now, calcium to boost their strength and to give them strength on their legs. Now, on the day 5, what I gave them was, on the day 5 and day 6, I gave them anticoccidosis to fight coccidosis disease. Now, on the day 7, which is today, I'll be giving them multiply. Remember, on the day 9, we're vaccinating them our first vaccine, which is Brooder vaccine. That's why we're giving them antibiotics on the day 7, day 8. That we'll be giving them antibiotics, we're giving them multivitamins on the day 7 and day 8. Now, on the day 9, we'll vaccinate them against Gomboro vaccine. Guys. So, guys, we are doing awesome here. Now, these guys have outgrown this way. These guys have outgrown this size. Now, what we'll be doing literally, we'll be expanding, we'll be giving them more space. Remember, we're giving them more space. As you can see, these guys are looking healthy, they're looking strong, they're looking super healthy. And guys, we've not had any mortality. Now, funny enough, on the day 1, we had 46 grams. On the day 2, we have 61 grams. On the day 3, we have 71 grams. On the day 4, we have 91 grams. On the day 5, we have 117 grams. On the day 6, we have 124 grams. Now, what will be our weight on the day 7? Guys, also, and funny enough, we are still using one bag for this brooding, which is Ultimate Super Starter Plus. Now, I want to tell you guys, during your transition of feed, it is very important. Now, this is the one bag for brooding that is remaining. Now, what I want to do with this bag, I'll be bringing another bag, which is Jokun Super Starter. Now, I'll be giving another Jokun Super Starter for like another extra 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Now, I want to transit this feed to Chukun Super Starter. What do I mean by transiting? I want to mix this feed and Chukun Super Starter together. So at the moment, now, when you feed your bird, when you want to change feed, when you want to change the feed of a bird, be careful, because changing the feed of a bird might affect their feeding behavior. They might not feed, but that's why I want to transit this feed, this remaining one, to Chukun Super Starter I want to give them. So be careful whenever you want to change. Whenever you want to change your feed, okay, so that there won't be feeding behavior. They won't eat very well. So guys, that's all we'll be doing today. Now, the weather is so hot. So I'm no longer giving them heat. I stopped giving them heat. Instead of me to give them heat, I added more drinker. As you can see, I added more drinker for them, so that these guys are feeding well. So guys, what we'll be doing today, remember, we'll still be checking their weight today. Yes, we'll still be checking their weight today, and we'll be expanding. I think I'll just do it now. We're giving them more space. Sorry. Giving them more space. Yes, we'll be giving them more space. Because these guys have outgrown this space now. We'll be giving them more space, at least to play around, to run around, at least to feel more comfortable. Remember, broilers grow very well when they have enough space to play around and to run around. They usually grow very well when they have enough space. So guys, this is what we'll be doing. And now our litter is already forming to be cakey. So at some point, what you do is you have to stir up the litter. Maybe with your hand or with your hand trowel. If your farm is too small, you can use your hand trowel. You can use whatever you have on ground. So guys, Sorry. Now the plan is I don't want my litters to be kicking. Don't want my litter to be kicking. So guys, as you can see, later I expand the space for them. They are enjoying it, they are running around. Please, as a poultry farmer, don't restrict the space of your brothers, unless you are still breeding, unless they are still under a week. But when they start growing, please give them space. Be giving them space, okay? So guys, that is it for now. So we've expanded. At least you have enough space to play around. You know, we've expanded the space. As you can see, these guys are running around now. They are feeling more comfortable. As you can see, the more you expand their space, now enough space. Broilers need enough space. Broilers need enough space, but they need enough space. Space allow them to grow. Space allow them to go super very well. Okay, guys, we'll be checking their weight. And that is mainly the reason why we are here. We'll be checking what will be the weight of the 7. Guys, we are good to go. Now let's check the weight of the 7. Okay, guys, let's start from this guy. Sorry. Calm. Guys, 176. 176. 174. 174 gram. 200 gram. Guys, you are doing super well. You are doing awesome. These guys are feeling very well. $180 gram. Guys, as you can see, we had 176, we have 180, we have 200, we have 174. Guys, we are going to 200. Guys, 200 gram in 1 week. That means we did perfectly well as a poultry farmer. We did perfectly well. So guys, that will be the end of our 1 week of brooding. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, hit the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video you get it automatically. Guys, look at my bed. Look at how beautiful these guys are. Look at how we are taking care of them. We've expanded their space. We've stopped giving them heat because of the weather is super hot at this period. Imagine me as a human being, I'm feeling so hot, even in my own house, even under air condition. Now imagine these guys. So we're giving them enough space, no more heat. Guys, we are good to go. Week 7. Day 7, we are having 200 grams. We are doing awesome. Now, during that 1 week, we are just giving them a bag of feed. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, hit the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, you get it automatically. Thank you.